Yogurt has long been celebrated for its nutritional benefits, but its effectiveness in aiding weight loss varies depending on the type. Let's look at this question: what kind of yogurt is most effective for weight loss? Understanding yogurt types. 1. Regular yogurt. Traditional yogurt made from milk and live bacterial cultures. Contains varying amounts of fat, sugar, and calories depending on the brand and flavor. While it can be part of a balanced diet, the higher sugar content in some varieties may not be ideal for weight loss. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is strained to remove whey, resulting in a thicker texture and higher protein content. Typically lower in sugar and higher in protein compared to regular yogurt. The high protein content can promote feelings of fullness, making it a popular choice for weight loss. 3. Low-fat or fat-free yogurt. These yogurts have had the fat content reduced or removed. While they may contain fewer calories, they often compensate with added sugars or artificial sweeteners, which can hinder weight loss efforts. Why Greek yogurt is effective for weight loss. 1. High protein content. Protein is known to increase satiety and reduce appetite, making you feel fuller for longer. Greek yogurt's higher protein content can help control hunger and cravings, leading to reduced calorie intake. 2. Lower sugar content. Many varieties of Greek yogurt contain less sugar than their regular counterparts. Lower sugar intake can help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in insulin, which can promote fat storage. 3. Calcium and probiotics. Greek yogurt is a good source of calcium, which plays a role in fat metabolism and may aid in weight loss. Probiotics found in Greek yogurt can support a healthy gut microbiome, which has been linked to weight regulation. How to incorporate Greek yogurt into your diet for weight loss. 1. As a snack. Enjoy Greek yogurt on its own or with fresh fruit for a satisfying snack between meals. 2. In smoothies. Blend Greek yogurt with fruits and vegetables for a nutrient-packed breakfast or post-workout smoothie. 3. In recipes. Use Greek yogurt as a substitute for mayonnaise or sour cream in recipes to reduce calorie and fat intake. When it comes to weight loss, Greek yogurt emerges as a top contender due to its high protein content, lower sugar content, and beneficial nutrients. By incorporating Greek yogurt into your diet in place of higher calorie, lower nutrient options, you can support your weight loss goals while enjoying a delicious and satisfying snack or meal. If you found this video useful, kindly subscribe to the channel to stay updated on similar content.